Yeah, this is a 2018 Ford F-350. What we end up doing, adding the shock sensor add-on, because what happens to these factory alarm systems, they don't come with any type of sensor, so you can destroy this whole truck from bumper to bumper, and nothing will fire off, and only if you open a door. So what we end up doing is adding the shock sensor to it, and he went ahead and got the text alert module with the GPS. So in essence, if somebody triggers the alarm, he'll get an alert on his phone anywhere in the United States, pretty much anywhere in the world, as long as you got cell phone reception. It comes in as a text message form. Basically, what they're stealing in this car is the mirrors, the tailgates, and they're taking your front grille. So we end up protecting the vehicle in all sorts of different areas, and we also do a couple little security measures, so the thief won't be able to disconnect certain items to get in, and the alarm not to sound off. For security reasons, we don't like to mention them. But trust me, when you get the job done, you'll realize what I'm telling you. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. The alarm will fire off. That's a message that you get stating that the alarm fired off. It also has GPS. We don't like to show the coordinates for security reasons. This shock sensor add-on, it's incorporated with the factory alarm. There's no need to install another alarm on top of another alarm and have you carry another key fob. That kind of defeats the whole purpose of you coming in and opening the door and having this in your pocket. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida, on this 2018 F-350 by Auto Alarm Specialists. And numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.